Okay, in this video, I will explain exercise 13. I do not have a ruler, but I do show you how to improvise with this school pass. All right. 13. Cab company A cab calculates the cab fare using the formula cab fare F equals 3 plus 1.5K. So the formula that we need, F is equals 3 plus 1.5 times K. K is the number of kilometers. Copy the table and fill in the blanks. All right, let's copy the table first. Question A. K, first row, F, second row. We always start at 0, and then because kilometers, it's about distance with a car, so we go from 0 to 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and then they choose to go to 12, which is fine. Let me show you how to fill it in for 0. You can have two ways. You can think logically. If I don't drive any kilometers, but I still ordered a cab, I have to pay a fixed amount. That fixed amount is 3. But if you want to calculate it, you can do that as well. You get 3 plus 1.5 times 0. 1.5 times 0 is 0. 3 plus 0 gives me 3. For 2, I'm going to show you that one as well. You get 3 plus 1.5 times 2. 1.5 times 2 gives me 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So we get 6. For 3, let me show you that one as well. You get 3 plus 1.5 times, instead of K now we got 3. This will become 4.5. 3 plus 4.5 will be 7.5. So that's 7.5. For 4, it's just one more. We can add 1.5. So we get 9. One more for 5. We can add 1.5. You get 10.5. But for 12, you need to calculate it again. Do not do any combination here. That's just wrong. Because we have a fixed amount. So for 12, let's fill it in again. 3 plus 1.5 times 12. We get 12 plus 6, we get 18. 3 plus 18 will become 21. Did I do it correctly? Yes, I did. So this is 21. Draw the graph for this formula. All right. I should have left more space available. But we're going to draw the graph. So what I'll do, I'll just put the table there in here. We just need the table and that's it. So one more time, excuse me for not having the equipment here. Vertical x, horizontal x. K will be here, F will be here. So K, it goes all the way to 12. I'm not going to use 12 squares, but you can. But I'm not going to do it. So I start with 0, but then I go from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Then I see F goes all the way to 21. If I use steps of 2, I will need 10 little squares, which is fine. You can also do steps of 3. It's not a problem. You can choose yourself. So let me show you, even though you don't choose 3, you choose 2, that you will get good answers as well. You can also do 5, but it's too big, I would think. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and then up there we got 22. It's not really completely fitting, but it's all right. Now, from 0, we get 3, which is between 2 and 4. For 2, we got 6. Then we can already stop because we have 2 points and it's good enough to create a line. So let's do that. Create a line as long as we can do that. And this is what we have created. Now let's see, for 5, we needed 10.5. So when you look, hey, indeed, over here, it's 10.5. Yeah, it's 10.5, almost 11, but that's what happens if I made probably a shifting mistake. And if you do that, then you already see a slight difference. But this is the graph that belongs to the cab company ACAB. Now, then we continue. Cab company UCAB uses the formula cab fare F equals 3P plus 1.2K. So there's a P in there. That means the P is the number of people. Peter and Mary are taking a 20-kilometer cab ride with UCAB. Calculate the cab fare. All right. Peter and Mary, 2 people. So P will become 2, and the K, it says there, will become 20. So when you fill it in, you get 3 times 2 plus 1.2 times 20. Order of operations, 3 times 2 will become 6. 1.2 times 20 will become 24. 6 plus 24 will become 30 euros. Now, D. The doubly family consists of 4 people, so P will become 4. Write down the formula for the cab fare of K kilometers with UCAB. So it's just a family, 4 people. That's not going well. That's really not going well. You're gonna see this back in the video. This is so hilarious. So the doubly family consists of 4 people. So we get the new formula. You get 4 for P. You change the formula. You get 3 times P now becomes 4 plus 1.2 times K. The K, we leave it there because we don't know how many kilometers they're going to drive. We just want to create a formula for this family. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 1.2 K. This will become the formula for a family of 4 family members. Please pause the video where it's necessary so you can look at work, think yourself, and excuse me for the improvisation in this video.